folks, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Man Ray. If you must know, Man Ray is one of Mermaid Man and Barnacle Boy's arch enemies. Basically one of the main villains of the Mermaid Man and Barnacle Boy franchise. I wonder if they have their own comics in real life. But if you must know, Man Ray was already cryogenically frozen in tartar sauce for almost 60 years.
Let me help you.
But foolishly, SpongeBob and Patrick released him. I don't know why though. But maybe they could get Man Ray to be good. You see, Man Ray and Barnacle Boy, Mermaid Man and Barnacle Boy placed a specialized massage belt that makes him laugh, as seen in episode 17. And it only activates with the press of a button. But they managed to disable it. SpongeBob and Patrick, they believe he was tricked into being good, but he wasn't. The belt, it still affected him. He had a change of heart. But I don't know why he was still evil. I think it had something to do with his change of... I think it had something to do with that episode when SpongeBob and Patrick traveled into the past and became evil. Hold on a sec. Alexa, stop. I don't know why that SpongeBob... I don't know why Man Ray would turn evil all of a sudden. I think it had something to do with that episode with SpongeBob and Patrick traveling back in time and having Man Ray arrested due to future events. That is so messed up, man. Anyways, when you start drawing him, you must draw his body. His Man Ray-like body. He's like the body of a man and the head of a manta ray. And here we go. Here's his thumb. Here's his fingers. 2, 3, 4. Pika. Okay, I don't know why Man Ray would side for the force of evil. I mean, he has his own check account, and his checks have little poodles on them. Don't you just love poodles? They're adorable. Almost as adorable as my pet Cabo, my pet dog. Anyways, there's his glove. Okay, next up, here's the belt that he wears. One with the lock on it. It's been a while since I've seen Man Ray in action. There's, okay, like most superheroes, his underwear is on the outside, but it should be on the inside though, because he should be wearing pants. And there's his leg. My leg! There's his leg. My leg! And there. That is how you draw Man Ray. Pretty awesome, don't you think, guys? Well, like you always say, evil never takes a vacation. No, that just came out wrong. Evil never takes a vacation. I remember that part. Remember when Barnacle Boy turned evil and became Barnacle Man? But he's still cited for the force of good anyway. Besides, there was also Captain Magma, the Quigster, the Elastic Waistband, and Miss Appear, and a new character on the other side. Well, there was also Professor Magma, and there was the Golden Ponderer with his hairnet of knowledge. I don't even want to know. But it was the alliance of super acquaintances that were defeated, but that Man Ray has been defeated by. But that's about it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. And I'll let you guys know what character I'll draw you guys next. Well, goodbye for now.